welcome to the garage of Vista 2005. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be unboxing the Toro 60 volt max cordless power shovel. It's a little bit technology, but basically it's a power shovel. I'm sure you guys have seen corded ones. Basically a snow shovel that kind of acts like a snow blower. Obviously I'm not here in my garage because it is an outdoor tool and can't fit it on my desk. So we'll be doing the unboxing out here. And I picked it up about a week ago. I decided that I was tired of throwing the snow over the deck railing and pushing slushy snow around. From the reviews that I've seen from other YouTubers out there, it seems to be a good fit for what I'm going to use it for. I also do have a full-blown gas snow blower, yeah, this is 12 inches wide. It's a 60 volt system, comes with a 2.5 amp hour battery, and yeah, it was about got it on sale for about $250 off of the Toro website, although there are some places that sell it like Ace Hardware and Home Depot. Like anything else these days, they are subject to parts shortages, so it could be hard to find one. I know they do have a 60 volt actual full snow blower as well that they are trying to put out there, and it's been hard to find those. I haven't quite decided if I want to do that yet, since I already have a gas one. But depending on how hard it is this winter to keep it going, I may decide to get it. But anyway, this one's about the power shovel. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Not much to it. Got a few parts and pieces here. Looks like one of the handles. It works kind of like a weed eater, if you guys have used one. It's about the same weight as a weed eater as well, I think. And so you have a little handle here. You saw the picture on the front. Set that down. Got ourselves the manual as well, so we'll check that out in a bit. But basically, just slides out. We'll take the box out here. Should have brought some scissors along. It is made out of plastic for the most part, but what snow shovel isn't really, you know? At least the cheaper ones. As far as durability, I'm not sure yet, but we will certainly testing that out. Always be careful with knives. Don't want to cut yourself, especially with a box cutter. That's not fun. So it's got a little motor on the inside, kind of same situation as a snowblower. This is still plastic here, pretty tough plastic, like a regular snow shovel. I mean, you're not going to be going through rocks and dirt with this, so you want to use this on a sidewalk or a driveway that's not gravel. But first impressions, this thing's pretty tough, hard plastic, so I would imagine that it's going to be last a while at least. Set this here. Make sure I know how to put it together before I do that. But we also have the charger for the battery. So we got ourselves the Toro battery charger. Pretty simple. Battery slides on, just plugs into a regular outlet. I'm not sure on charging times. I will do a overview and review of the shovel and the charging times. I'll figure all that out before my next video. So we got the charger here. We don't currently have any snow, but it is coming, so I've heard. And for those of you who don't know, I'm up here in South Dakota, so we do get pretty decent winters, so I'm going to be able to put this thing through its paces. So here's the battery. It is a 2.5 amp hour battery, like I said earlier, 135 watt hours, 60 volts of course, as it is their 60 volt system. It does say that it can do like a 3-car driveway. This should be able to do it just fine, although for the most part I have picked this up just to do my deck, just to keep the weight off of the deck and to keep the snow off the deck so we can use it during the winter and the dog doesn't think it's the outside of the house instead of the deck. So basically, yeah, there's a nice little rubber grip here. I'll come back over here. That nice little rubber grip here shows you, shows you how much battery is left. Obviously, haven't charged it yet, but this end is actually what points out of the device, the unit of any Toro battery operated. They do have lawnmowers and weed eaters and stuff. But yes, you can see how much battery you have left. You want to charge it up before you use it the first time. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and put this thing together and hopefully in the next, next week or so, there'll be some snow and I'll be able to use it, and I will do a video reviewing that and showing you how this works. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for hanging out in my garage for a few minutes.